Hey, my name is James Mason. In this video, before we get started into the Bollinger Bands, I'm just going to show you something that you need to do before you actually really start trading. Now, in the other playlist, I show it in the first video, lesson 1, so there's no need to really go up and watch that one, unless if you want to watch that playlist and that style as well. So anyways, the first thing you need to do after you sign in to your Thinkorswim platform, go up here to real-time data. Click on this. Make sure all of this says real-time. If it says anything else besides real-time or looks any way different than this, come over here to support and chat. Click on live support and you'll just click create a support ticket and general support. Add in, just write something like real-time data, and you'll write whatever message, just saying that it needs to be changed for you, or just whatever, just so they know what you're talking about, and create request. Now after you do that, come over here to setup, application settings, and system. So up here at quote speed, open this up, and if you have anything else selected than real-time data, no delay, you need to change it to this. So make sure it says real-time data, no delay, because when you are trading, you do not want any delays at all, not even 1 second. So click on that, apply settings, and once support contacts you, if this was an issue for you up here, and once they change this all to real-time data, you will be good to go. That way, all your charts, all your quotes, everything will be right on with the exchanges and your brokers, and that is where you want to be. So you definitely don't want to put yourself in a disadvantage and getting a horrible deal or missing opportunities. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video, and please check out the rest of my videos. If you could, please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.